You're searching for your dream home, it's easy to focus on the price tag and your potential mortgage payment. But the reality is, buying a home comes with a range of additional costs that can catch many buyers off guard. Today, we're diving into the hidden expenses every home buyer should know about before making an offer. Let's start by looking beyond the mortgage and exploring what really goes into the monthly cost of homeownership. Utilities are a major part of your monthly budget, and they can vary widely from one property to another. Think about heating, cooling, water, electricity, and even trash collection. Older homes might have less efficient systems, leading to higher bills, while newer homes could be more energy efficient. It's important to factor these costs in so you're not surprised after moving in. Let's see how you can get a clear picture of what to expect. Property taxes are another key expense that can change dramatically depending on where you buy. Local governments set these rates, and they can increase over time. Some neighborhoods have higher taxes due to better schools or amenities. Before you fall in love with a home, make sure you understand the property tax rate and how it will affect your monthly payments. This is a crucial step in budgeting for your new home. Owning a home means taking care of it, and that comes with ongoing maintenance costs. From lawn care to roof repairs, these expenses can add up quickly. Some years might be light, while others could bring unexpected repairs. It's wise to set aside a portion of your budget for regular upkeep and emergencies. Let's talk about what kinds of maintenance costs you should expect and how to plan for them. One of the smartest moves you can make as a buyer is to ask the seller for past utility bills. This gives you a real-world look at what it actually costs to live in the home month to month. Sellers are usually willing to provide this information, and it can help you avoid surprises after closing. Knowing these numbers upfront allows you to budget more accurately and make informed decisions. If you're considering a home in a community with a homeowners association, don't forget about HOA fees. These can cover amenities like pools, landscaping, or security, but they also add to your monthly expenses. HOA fees vary widely, so be sure to ask for details before making an offer. Understanding these fees helps you see the full financial picture of your potential new home. Homeowners insurance is essential for protecting your investment. The cost depends on the home's value, location, and even your credit score. Some areas require additional coverage for floods or earthquakes. Make sure to get quotes early in the process so you can factor this into your budget. Insurance is one more piece of the puzzle when calculating your total monthly expenses. Even with careful planning, unexpected costs can pop up. Appliances break, roofs leak, and sometimes things just go wrong. Setting aside an emergency fund for your home can give you peace of mind and help you handle surprises without stress. Let's discuss how much you should save and why it's so important for every homeowner. Comparing different homes, don't just look at the listing price. Add up all the monthly expenses, mortgage, utilities, taxes, insurance, and maintenance to see the true cost of ownership. This approach helps you make a smarter decision and ensures you're comfortable with your monthly payments. Let's look at how to create a total cost comparison for the homes you're considering. Navigating all these costs can feel overwhelming, especially if you're a first-time buyer. That's where working with a knowledgeable real estate professional can make a big difference. An experienced agent can help you estimate expenses, negotiate with sellers, and avoid common pitfalls. Let's talk about how professional guidance can save you time, money, and stress during your home buying journey. To get a clear picture of your future home's expenses, start by asking the seller for past utility bills. This simple step can reveal patterns in energy use and highlight any unusually high costs. It's a practical way to make sure you're fully informed before making an offer. Don't hesitate to request this information. It's a standard part of the home buying process. Once you have all the information, mortgage, utilities, taxes, insurance, and maintenance, you can estimate your full monthly cost of homeownership. This comprehensive view helps you avoid surprises and ensures your new home fits comfortably within your budget. Let's walk through how to put all these numbers together for a realistic monthly estimate. If you want help breaking down all the costs before you buy, reach out to a trusted real estate expert. They can provide personalized estimates and guide you through every step of the process. Having an expert on your side means you'll have confidence in your decisions and peace of mind as you move forward. Whether you're buying your very first home or searching for your forever place, understanding the full cost of ownership is key. Every home has its own story, and knowing what to expect financially helps you start your next chapter on the right foot. Let's make sure your home is a place where your story can truly begin. At the end of the day, your home is more than just a building, it's where your story begins. By taking the time to understand all the costs involved, you're setting yourself up for a successful and happy homeownership journey. Remember, with the right information and support, you can make confident decisions and find the perfect place to call home.